イエーイ、雨だ雨だ。なあ、雨だねえ、私も好きよ。あー、いいね。きれいきれいきれい。あ、かぼちゃの花すごいよ。超綺麗に咲いてる。わあ。フィリピン行った時に雨いっぱい降るでしょ。みんなと濡れるでしょ。楽しかったよ。楽しかった。うん。
Have you gardened or farmed before?
I'm on farm, like I said earlier, but not this kind of farm.
Okay. All right, you were on an animal farm, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just be careful for the pumpkins.
Okay.
Go on. Go.
Yeah. Wow.
Go, please.
That's gone wild.
Yeah, we have to cut the grass soon again.
Oh, you put it in a place with a slide.
Yeah.
Oh no, what happened to the shelter?
The shelter, it collapsed.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah. Maybe Dad? Please. Thank you.
Garden looks incredible, seriously.
Yeah.
I feel this corn was maybe this high 2
Mm.
weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, it's this big.
And you have real corn growing now.
Yeah. We got yeah. There's bigger ones somewhere.
Really nicely.
Yeah, I hope they get a bit bigger. See, there's two
Yeah.
together, so they might be a bit smaller, like
Okay,
Overall,
because they're like sharing nutrients or something.
Yeah,
There's two
yeah.
different stems.
yes. But
The eggplants look great as well.
they do.
I feel they were maybe up to my waist last time. Now they're like
Yeah,
These ones.
these ones. Yeah. The bell peppers too. They gotten really big overall.
yay! It's
Yeah.
maybe time to do the next height of the string.
Maybe,
Sometime.
maybe, but I don't think.
Maybe
No,
doesn't need it.
yeah,
Oh, it looks so great, so healthy. Wow.
yeah, it's cool.
This is the payoff for all the work.
Mm.